Please give our wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Andy. First of all, thanks, Gyan, for calling me. And Tangalan and Vikram. What do I say, Vikram? I think Indian cinema industry lone one of the most versatile actor unnarante Vikram. And pan-India and Meera Pranharu, I think Vikram's films have been pan-India for quite some time, long back. Pan-India has become a fashionable word now, but I think much before his films were pan-Indian. So the kind of characters he played and kind of subjects he selected, I think it's a very rare quality in him that, you know. And happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday. But I just came to know about it. Anyways, so I wish the whole team of Gyanvel Raja, all the artists and technicians the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Damu garu. Thank you very much. And thank you, Dhananjayan garu. Thank you. అలాగే ఈరోజు ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి